Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fitness routine. I've had a lot of questions about my fitness routine, so I thought that I would go ahead and just record this video for you and let you know what I do on a day-to-day basis. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe. I'm so glad that you have found me, and we are going to go ahead and jump right into this. Also, this video is sponsored by Levoit, and they sent me this yoga set, and it's a huge bag, and it's got a bunch of different yoga stuff in it. And I actually have been wanting to do yoga for a while now, but when we moved from our first house, we got rid of like any of our stuff that we weren't using, and yoga mat was one of them. I wasn't using it before. I had tried out a few yoga classes, and I wasn't going regularly, and I just wasn't using it, so we got rid of it. But within the last few months, I was telling my husband that I really wanted to start trying yoga again. So when Levoit reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their yoga set, I was like, heck yes. So I needed to be stretching more. I have a bad back from cheerleading for so many years and all the tumbling and everything. So a few times a year my back will like go out if I'm not stretching good enough, and it's just awful because I can't do anything. I can't run, I can't work out, I can't do anything. So I have to make sure that I am stretching regularly, and in order for me to do that, I decided I wanted to start at least trying like beginner's yoga. So I'm going to tell you more about what all is in this yoga set when I get to that part of my video. Alright, so let's go ahead and I will show you my workout routine from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. Alright, so on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I do the Kayla BBG workout. It's the Beachbody Guide, and there's actually an app that you can download. And so when I first started doing this workout back in September, I was using the app, and then I started training for my half marathon, so I kind of quit doing the workouts to train for that. And then recently I've started getting back into the workouts, and I found that they are all on Pinterest as well. So I'm not using the app anymore. I'm just using the workouts that are on Pinterest. But if you follow Kayla on Instagram, she is so motivational, and these workouts are only like 28 minutes long. So on Mondays I usually do the full body workout, which is what you see me doing here. And when I first started doing the workouts, I would only make it through like 2 rounds of the exercises. So don't feel bad if you decide to try this and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't get through the whole thing. Eventually you'll be able to add more of the exercises in, and that's kind of what I've been doing. Most of the time when I'm doing a Kayla workout, I usually watch TV. So this is kind of my TV time, and I try to watch something that's not too involved because I can't completely watch it the whole time. But if it's super nice outside, then I will actually take my Levoit yoga mat and take it outside to work out, or a towel, just depends on if it's wet outside. But this is day 2. This is on Wednesdays. Wednesdays I usually do the legs and cardio workout, which is what I am doing here. So one of the things that I love about this workout is that if for some reason I'm crunched on time and I don't get all of my workout moves in, then I can do the rest of it later during the day. Like even if the kids are home, I might go do my 24 lunges or whatever it is. I can just kind of finish it throughout the day. Alright, and then this is day 3 of the BBG workout, and the third day I am doing abs and arms, and as you can see I've added a medicine ball. So some of the workouts show that you can use the medicine ball or weights with it, but those are the only 2 things that I've ever had to use as far as equipment goes. On Tuesdays and Thursdays is when I do my running and walking, and then sometimes I'll add an extra day on the weekend. But I usually run about 3 to 4 miles, and sometimes I will run the entire time, and then some days I will do intervals. Right now, when my kids are at school, I usually run in the morning, but now that it is actually summertime, I'm going to have to start running in the evening when my husband gets home so that he can watch the kids. Alright, and then one day a week is when I've been doing my beginner's yoga, and this is the Levoit set that they sent me. It's the yoga set, and it comes in this big bag, and then it comes with a large towel, a hand towel or a sweat towel, and then it comes with a yoga strap, the yoga mat, and 2 of the yoga balancing blocks. It also comes with this yoga DVD. It's a 30-minute beginner's yoga flow, and I actually really like it because it kind of teaches me the basic moves. I usually use the DVD once every other week or once every 3 weeks because I've been following some other YouTubers that have beginner's yoga on their channels, and I'll make sure to leave some of those channels down below in case you're new to yoga too, or you would like to try and you're a beginner like me. But I love their channels, and I love doing the beginner's yoga right now because I'm really trying to focus on making sure that I'm doing the moves right and that I am in the right positions and everything so I don't get hurt, or so I'm actually making sure that I stretch the right way. But I've always been super flexible from being a cheerleader, but yoga is definitely new to me. I've tried it in the past, like I said, but never actually stuck with it. But I am enjoying doing all of the beginners stretching. And maybe eventually I'll be able to move on to some intermediate yoga, but for right now, I'm pretty much just using it to make sure that I am getting a good stretch every week after doing all of these workouts. And if you're a yogi and I'm doing something wrong, don't laugh at me. I'm learning. And y'all let me know down in the comments below if you do a certain workout or if you have a routine that you like, or just if you work out in general. I would love to know what works for you guys. Alright guys, so that's it for my workout routine. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me about my routine or anything about my workouts, make sure that you leave your questions down in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the Levoit Yoga Set. I will have a link to that below, and it's also available in my Amazon store. I have a link for that too because I really do like this set, and I think I will just continue to use this every single week for all of my workouts. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!